I'm back, and I want to explain where the channel is going and what's changing. So, something that's always due with time is change. So I have the laptop here with 4 pointers, but we can see here. So with change, I took some time to learn how YouTube works, and some of what I was doing, especially SEO and the previous brand name, didn't work. My videos, even though it has been deemed helpful, actually was being drowned out by other content, so I wasn't able to get as much reach as what I was hoping to get. It's been around about a year or more than a year. What do we have for updates? So for the updates, the E30 is down.
Well then.
Besides the E30, I also developed some new parts because often what I could try and get online, it wasn't available, or even the previous people had listed it actually took it offline. I mean, even things so simple as odometer gears, I couldn't get because people copied it so much that the original authors actually took it down. So, unfortunately, for me to actually get to where I needed to get, I needed to actually become the person to make the actual product. So the next question is, what's coming next? So there's 3 things, and the last one I'm going to leave a bit open-ended. So first of all, I'll give you guys some information on what happened with the E30's breakdown. I did record the whole thing, but thankfully to some equipment upgrades over here, the audio will actually be better, and I'll end up doing more voiceover because previous mics that I used in other videos, the audio wasn't so good. So I'll give you a breakdown on what happened. I recorded at the breakdown site, and then there's a lot more information in after that. And that's where our friend over here comes. There's a new engine I'm building. It's actually almost done at the time now. It's at final stages, so what I'm also going to do is add a bit of value. So to commit to it, there is value coming on for that. So yeah, with that, I'll be also reviewing some other YouTubers' guides because some of the information will be a first for me as well. So I'll definitely look at some videos. I'll probably overlay it, but obviously fair use is there, and I'll actually credit the people and try and give feedback where it's due. And then we'll see how that project goes. So probably in about a month, this car should be in a driving state with the new engine. But there's still some changes I need to do there, and a bonus project, but we first need to take things in a stride. And okay, so last but not least, there is some parts. So that sums up the video. 2025 has definitely been a lot of growth and learning from my side, both on and off YouTube. And yeah, let's see where 2026 takes us. There's definitely been a lot of goals in 2025 achieved, which the younger me and even the present me didn't think was possible. I mean, I love my childhood dream of seeing a V10 Formula 1 car, which, yeah, it still puts a smile on my face. And then even things like 3D printers, learning to actually understand how CAD works, and yeah, even having the equipment that I'm actually recording on now. So I have upgraded my audio as well, so I hope you guys will appreciate it. And yeah, let's see how far this goes. I hope to learn. I mean, even if I fail, I'm happy to fail as long as I learn. And we can actually build something good with this, so let's do that. But yeah, that's all for me now. This video is probably way too long. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all the other fine things that's there. I'll see you in the next video.